Hi friends, welcome to our GSM TEAM YouTube channel. Today I am showing how to set up libusb driver complete guide instruction in this video. Now you can see in our desktop, this is live libusb driver setup file. Just click on run. Yes, click on next. Check this, I accept the agreement and continue next. Next, installation and finish. Launch filter installer. Now you can see libusb driver, the main interface. Configure your device. Okay, install a device filter. Next, then connect your device on your computer USB port. Connect your device on your computer USB port. Now you can see MediaTek USB port. Just click on install. Okay, this is my fault. Try again. Press the volume plus button and put on USB cable on your device. Okay, click on MediaTek USB and install, and you can see completing installation successfully. Okay, now you can do anything.